Hey, just before the video starts, I just need to let you know that this has some small audio issues where the audio kept cutting out. I'll be putting in text where those were missing, and hope you enjoy.
Alright, well I've got just a quick extra video for you today. I just got this package in the mail, which is of two original 2008 MacBook Airs, as announced in January 2008. Got these for $73 US, or for me, that was more like 94 Canadian dollars, which is actually quite a steal, considering that these are starting to become slightly collectible. Now these are parts and untested, but we'll see if they work. I have a charger, so let's get... Yeah, iMac, shut up. I can see them in there. Loaded with bubble packing. Alright. And well, here they are. These are actually the first MacBooks I've ever owned of any type, old or new, so let's have a look at these. This one here. I don't know how well you can see this in the video, but it's quite bulged in the middle. So I'm thinking the battery has expanded, which is not good to say the least. This one is in a bit better shape overall, but it has some noticeable damage to the hinge over here, and, I mean, it looks fine on the inside. Let's try to power these on now and see if they work. Alright, I don't know if the camera caught that, but as soon as I plugged in the power adapter, it turned on, so let's see if it boots. Well, it seems to have just booted into recovery mode here, so I guess I'll do a reinstall later. Let's try the next one. Alright, so it would appear the hard drive is dead, or there's no OS installed. It could be either one. I'm going to open this up and get rid of that awful expanded battery before it causes more damage. It's literally just opening as I'm unscrewing it. This is not good. Ah. Oh dear. Oh, that is definitely expanded. I'm not sure if you can see just how wavy that is. Wow. Alright, that should be the last screw. Let's see if this comes out now. And just like that, the keyboard and palm rest is back to mostly flat again, so yeah, glad that battery isn't there anymore. I could almost feel the Mac breathing as I unscrewed it.